Hello. Welcome to the Keto Diet and Fitness channel. Health and fitness through weight loss. Health and fitness are most of the time associated with physical appearance, especially weight. And why not? It is the weight of the person who can tell whether he or she is living a healthy lifestyle due to the foods and habits that he or she has. For those who think that their weight greatly affects their self-esteem because of physical appearance, health, emotional stability, physical abilities, and the overall quality of their life in general, then it is about time that they contemplate losing weight. When does losing should start? People who have finally decided to lose weight should know where to begin. First, he or she must determine the real reason or reasons why they would want to lose weight. By determining and establishing the reason why one would want to lose weight, this can help him or her because they can these as motivations during the weight loss phases they are about to face. Next, they must know it within themselves if they can truly and wholeheartedly commit to doing the things necessary for them to lose weight. By asking oneself if he or she is ready to permanently change what they eat, how they eat, their behavior, and their activity levels, the possibility is greater that they would lose weight faster and safe. Third, they must look for a backup support system in case they can no longer manage weight control on their own. And last but not the least, they must make sure that they are strong enough to deal with the possibility of failing if they do not achieve their desired weight or result. One of the most important things to remember before losing weight is that the person should seek professional help. This is a must that one chooses a responsible and safe weight loss program or plan carefully. One must also make sure that he or she is willing to undergo a trial period before investing time, money, and effort in enrolling in a specific weight loss class. Tips in losing weight. Experts say that two of the most crucial factors that affect weight loss are food or calorie intake and the frequency of physical activities such as exercise. Although it may seem easy to monitor calorie intake and exercise regularly, it is not always effective, especially if the person doing it is not determined and disciplined enough. For a person to achieve their weight loss goals, here are some tips that they can use. 1. Don't ever skip regular meals. You must not forget that food nourishes the body. Although dieting or cutting down on food intake can help one lose weight, this cannot assure permanent weight loss because they will tend to eat more the next meal and the meals after that. 2. Regulate food intake. Eating in smaller amounts or food portions will help one cut down on calorie and fat intake. 3. Monitor gradual weight loss of about 1 to 2 pounds weekly without irritability, fatigue, or weakness. This will allow your body to regain the loss of water and fats. 4. Selecting healthy food choices. Choosing the foods that a person can eat from the food pyramid would help him or her develop a well-balanced diet as well as good eating habits. 5. Cut down on calories properly. If one is losing weight to achieve health and fitness, he or she must make sure that they know their body's required calorie intake because cutting too many calories can slow down metabolism. This will also make it difficult for the body to consume the necessary nutrients it needs to perform well. Thank you for watching. Remember to comment, like, and hit the subscription bell to be notified whenever new content is published.